If you think the ocean is safe, wait until you meet the pistol shrimp. Ready to dive in? Meet the pistol shrimp, a tiny titan of the deep. This little guy packs a punch, literally. With a claw that snaps at 60 miles per hour, it creates a shockwave that stuns prey and shatters glass. The snap is so powerful it produces light and heat nearly as hot as the sun. Imagine facing that in the wild. But don't worry, humans aren't usually on the menu. Still, would you rather encounter a pistol shrimp or a blue-ringed octopus? Drop your answer in the comments. And remember, the smallest creatures can be the most dangerous.